men who can fire a gun to limp, crawl, or drag themselves out here to hold this line. SHIELD is the last defense for all of Manhattan. Maybe for the entire world. Stand ready! It goes for you too. The three gates are the most critical point of our defense. Damn it! They are attacking the gate emitters. Spiderman, take them out before they destroy it.
New York is now under martial law. Follow the orders of all authorities. This is a public health emergency. You are being held under the authority of SHIELD and the New York Office of Emergency Management. Attention citizens, please make your way to the nearest extraction point. Convoys are leaving on the hour and half hour.
The safe zone is being attacked. This is not a drill. Proceed to the safe zone immediately with any and all firepower